Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you some shortcuts for the symbols which is not present in the Microsoft Office while working on the web. Here you can see that there are very limited symbols for the mathematical expression. See here there is only 6 to 7 symbols that is normally used in the mathematics, that is mu, alpha, beta, pi, gamma and the summation, degree and delta. Only these 7 symbols are there. But what happen if you need phi value, theta, then for that you need to know some shortcuts. So here I am going to show you the shortcuts here. So let's go to understand. So for getting the alpha, what you need to do, just press the alt button and type 224. You can observe that the alpha symbol get inserted here. Now for getting the beta symbol, what you need to do, just press the alt button and type 225 and see the beta symbol get inserted. Now for getting the gamma symbol, you need to press the alt button and type 226 and the gamma symbol get inserted. Now for getting the pi symbol, just press alt and then type 227. The pi symbol get inserted. Now for getting the summation or the uppercase sigma, then just press alt and type there 228 and the summation symbol get inserted. This is also called as uppercase sigma symbol. Now for getting the lowercase sigma symbol, keep the alt button pressed and type 229 and the lowercase sigma symbol get inserted. Now for getting mu symbol, just press alt button and type 230, then the mu symbol get inserted. For getting tau symbol, press the alt button and type 231 and the tau symbol get inserted. Hereafter for getting the phi symbol, press alt and type 232 and the phi symbol get inserted. Now for getting the theta symbol, what you need to do, just press alt and type 233 and the theta symbol get inserted. Now for getting the gamma symbol, just press alt and 234, type the 234, then the ohm symbol which is also called as gamma symbol, that will get inserted. Thereafter for getting the delta, that is the lowercase delta, just press alt and type 235, then the lowercase delta symbol get inserted. Now for getting the infinity symbol, just press alt and type 236 and the infinity symbol get inserted. Now for getting the size symbol, what you need to type, just press alt button and type 237 and size symbol get inserted. This is also called as the lowercase phi symbol. Now the last symbol is for the epsilon. So for getting the epsilon symbol, just press alt and type 238 and the epsilon symbol get inserted. This symbol we normally use for presenting the emissivity. Hope you understand these all shortcuts for these symbols which is normally used in the mathematics for representing the formula or the constant value. So use these symbols and make your presentation and the word looks pretty. So we will stop here and let's see in the next video. Till then, take care.